What's poppin', Roller Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You're me. I just messed it all up. I'm sorry.
What's up, Roller Game?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, what's up, Roller Game family? I know I'm looking a little rough, guys, but I normally don't do sit-down videos, but I thought, you know, since I'm so transparent with you guys, I'm always going to be transparent. But right now, we in my hometown, Missouri, St. Louis area. I'm getting loaded right now. I got a load going down to Hutchins, Texas. I normally don't take loads down to like Dallas, Fort Worth area. This load pays $1,800, which is cool. You know, it's a Friday load. It's got to be there Monday. It's literally only 4 pieces. Super duper light. Probably weigh like 5,000 pounds or something like that. But what this video is about is, you know, Landstar load board. So right now with the coronavirus going on, you know, early on rates skyrocketed. Rates are still cool. They okay right now still. But the amount of freight is what's decreasing. So normally when I'm here at home in Missouri, I never have had an issue finding a load down to Laredo. Couldn't find a one. I've been looking everywhere around this area for loads for next week. A lot of the loads are short and scarce, you know what I'm saying? So it's just not a lot of freight because of the coronavirus going on right now. So I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or not, but I'm just gonna give y'all like a brief preview of what I'm looking for in the type of lanes I've been running. This is gonna be a bit different only because I don't really ever deliver to Dallas or Fort Worth area because I know that it's not gonna always be some good paying freight coming out of there. That's why I always try to get down to Laredo and still be able to run Texas because I know I can always find something in Laredo. But even in Laredo, guys, it's pretty shot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to scoot over here. I'm about to put my screen recorder on and we about to basically talk through what I be looking for. So right now, Monday, I'm gonna be in Hutchins, Hutchinson, Texas. I'm gonna do about let's say 150 mile radius. Picking up Monday, April the 13th and 14th. Let's just look at both of those. So right now, if you look at the bottom, it says 722 loads. So now we about to put some filters in. I'm gonna do van specifically. Drops it down to 581 loads. More filters. I'm gonna do 0 extra stops. Team, no. Then we gonna hit back. So right now we at 557. So what I normally try to do is, you see that thing that says minimum RPM, minimum rate per mile. I always try to start with $2 a mile, at least. Because I know with my truck note, my fuel, and all of that stuff, $2 a mile is still gonna be pretty decent payday for me. With the way I run and all that. So, in the areas I'm going to. So you see that drop down dramatically to 104 loads for those 2 days. Now let's just look at 250 for y'all. Drop down to 26 results. Let's look at $3 a mile. This is all in the Dallas Fort Worth area. $12. So let's just go back up to 2.0. $2 a mile. Minimum revenue. Let's just do 1,000 just for the heck of it. So 40 loads on Monday and Tuesday coming out of Hutchinson, Texas, which is the Fort Worth, Dallas area. And this is what we have. Oregon, don't want to go there. Washington, don't want to go there. California, don't want to go there. Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, Don't want to go to none of these places. Florida, don't want to go there. New Mexico, don't want to go there. So now my options are dwindling. We got 2 options right now. You see this Andrews, Texas? That is going over towards El Paso area. Don't want to go there because that's going to be a dead zone for me. Hays, Kansas. That wouldn't be bad because I think Wichita is up that area. So pick it up on the 13th, 1 p.m. Don't want to do that. Wish it was open window because that would have worked better for me. Let's see. Now we looking at Shreveport. Wouldn't be bad. These don't pay that bad though, Wichita to Shreveport. But the question is Shreveport gonna be a dead zone? Let's see. So hazmat load 2, open windows, bam. Let's see what's in Shreveport area. Then we back to square one. Only thing I can find $2 a mile is going over to Florida, Colorado, New Mexico, back over to Anderson, El Paso, and Anthony, Texas. That might not be bad though. Actually, yeah, that's right by El Paso. No freight. So this just really gonna be a little quick video. I'm just trying to show you guys what I'm looking for and what I'm going through. So boom. So what I'm about to have to do now is about to have to open up my window some more. We at 150 mile radius. I'm gonna have to open up to 300 and see where we can go. And I'm gonna raise it up to $2.50 because that's a lot of deadhead we gonna have. So right now we only got 38 loads, paying $2.50 a mile, which Texas, I don't know, man. I don't know. So Oklahoma, let's see, New Mexico, Midland, Tyler. So yeah, these are a bunch of places I wouldn't want to deadhead to. So I'm pretty much in a dead zone, as y'all can see. I don't have a lot of options right now. But it is Friday, so Monday things could change for us tremendously. Let's see what they got in Laredo, because I know when I looked in Laredo earlier, Laredo was pretty much a dead zone also. It wasn't popping like that in Laredo either. So yeah, this coronavirus, man, like rates are still pretty good in a lot of places. I'm just looking at Texas mainly right now, so I can't really speak for the Midwest. I'm sure they still good in the Midwest. I'm sure they still good up in the Northeast. But we just looking at Texas right now. So I know y'all, a lot of y'all drivers know about Texas. Dallas Fort Worth area, always heavy. Never pays the greatest. You can get luck up and get some occasionally, but yeah, let's look at Laredo for Monday and Tuesday, paying $2 a mile. Oregon, Jersey, Florida, Cali, PA, Wyoming, Florida, Cali. Yeah, so I'm not seeing much of anything. Arizona wouldn't be bad if it wasn't just so heavy. And it picks up the 13th and delivers the 22nd, so that's like the following week. So we definitely not trying to do that. This Yuma, Arizona wouldn't be bad. Let's see, picks up Monday. I wouldn't be able to do that Monday because my delivery is at 8 a.m. Then I got a deadhead from Dallas down there. That's like 300-400 miles or something like that. So I'm not gonna be making no money off of that. So yeah, so right now Texas is looking pretty shaky for us, guys. It's looking pretty shaky for us. So maybe let me see, Marietta. Yeah, we just gonna end that. So yeah, this is the dilemma that I'm faced with right now. Trying to find putting myself in a dead zone, trying to find my way out. I just literally took this load because I'm going to see some family down in Dallas on Sunday for Easter. So I'm gonna pick this up today. I'm picking this load that I got right now. We getting loaded right now. I'm picking this up today. I'm taking it down. I'm gonna get to Dallas tomorrow. Take my 34-hour reset and deliver this load on Monday. So, you know, this is just a little quick video, just a little, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what's going on. I'm entering the dead zone and I gotta figure my way out. Rolly.